Thanks, Yvonne. And partly as we go back to the history of where we are, two things. We have government so that they help to govern the people, we the citizen. But when you go deeper into the issues of the rule of law and constitutionalism, part of what we gave ourselves in the Constitution 2010 is the ability of government to control itself. So I want to tell Kenyans, we are in this problem of public debt, a debt crunch and a debt crisis because we have government that cannot control itself across all arms. The executive derives its power, its drive on two fulcrums. One, legal authority, so all the laws that guide them. And then secondly, money. All these are passed by Parliament. So Parliament has allowed us to continually have budget deficit, borrow, with disregarding citizens completely, because it doesn't matter. Right now we may be saying we are borrowing Tom to pay Peter, and lately I want to say it is like we are borrowing from SACCOs. We are now borrowing from shylocks. You know, for Kenyans to understand what we have done to ourselves.
Diana, are you calling IMF a shylock?
For lack of a better language. You know, shylocks give you conditions, you have no choice. You will even move out of your house to comply with what they say. At least a SACCO, they first go for your guarantor, they speak to your shares. That is exactly where we are. And we are at the risk of debt default. Because we hardened ourselves very well as the sheep we are, a government that could no longer control itself to the IMF. Now we wait. They're no longer called conditionalities. They're called prior action before we sign the loan.
Correct.
Carbon taxation.
Correct.
Oh, come eco levy. You must now take away all these services you give to people free, or we pay for every single service from government. So that is exactly where we are. What is unfortunate is, based on the constitution we have for ourselves, both the executive and parliament, why have they allowed themselves to go to shylocks while we have enough resources? We can shrink our budget.
Okay, so